This video teaches you how to download your Google Docs to create backups, syncing with Google Drive on a computer. Download the Google Drive application for PC. Click Download Drive for desktop. Follow the dialog boxes to install it on your computer. Open the Google Drive application on your computer. Click this gear icon is in the top right corner of the Google Drive window. Click Preferences. Click Google Drive. You'll see this tab on the left side of the window below My Laptop/Computer. Select Mirror Files. This setting stores files in both the cloud and your computer, but ensures that if you're away from your computer, you can still remotely access your files. You can save space by using streaming files instead. However, that feature does not keep copies of your Google Docs on your computer's local storage for offline use. You need to be connected to the internet to access any files. Confirm selection and save changes. Downloading a file to a computer. Go to Google Drive in a web browser and sign in. Click this filter icon in the search bar at the top of the page. A menu will drop down with more filter options. Select the drop-down menu next to Type and click Documents. This will filter your drive to only show you documents in Google Docs. Click Search. Select the document to back up. Click the download icon. You can access the downloaded document in your computer. Use Google Takeout. Go to Google Takeout and sign in. Click Deselect All. You don't want to download all your Google information, just your docs in Drive. Click the box next to Drive to check it. More options will become clickable once you check this box. If you don't want to download everything included in your Drive, click All Drive Data Included and select the folders that you want to include in the download. Click Multiple Formats to decide which Google files are saved in what file format. Click Next Step. Select your file type, frequency, and destination. This includes how you want to get the download, in an email link is the easiest, and other file information. Click Create Export. Download your files. Depending on the delivery method you choose, there are different ways you can get your downloaded files, through a linked cloud service or in a link in your email. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.